Assalamu alaikum guys, it's been a while but I'm going to come back with a bang. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all my mother's traditional Swati Paratha recipe. You don't want to miss out on this, so make sure you click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. So guys, we've got some prep dough, some butter, some flour and also some eggs. So firstly, my mom's going to take out a handful of dough, prep dough, and then roll it into a nice bowl. Get it prepared just like that. Just need to dip it into some flour, and then we just need to flatten it out on the kitchen board. Mum's also softening the edges of the prepped dough, so just ensure that the sides are thinner. Then just put it back on the kitchen board and then use a rolling pin to completely flatten it so you get that nice circle shape, I would say. Now guys, Mum's got some butter which she's going to spread throughout the paratha, well, to be paratha. So just spread it throughout, covering the whole paratha like that. And Mum's going to fold it on one side and then fold it on the other side, and then she's going to add on a few more butter pieces, and then she's going to roll it again. Yeah. So continue rolling it until you get a nice long shape, just like that. And now we just need to roll it again into a ball using this method. So that's how it should look, guys. So that's stage one complete. Moving on to the next stage. So guys, we need to turn on the cooker and put on our beastly pan. We need a big pan. So now stage two, Mom's going to do exactly the same thing that she did in the first stage. So it's just a matter of dipping it into the flour and then putting it back on the kitchen board, flattening it out, softening the edges obviously, and then using a rolling pin to spread it out nice and evenly so you get a nice big size. And there she is, rolling it out nice and evenly. Now that the pan's heated up, guys, we just need to add in a pinch of oil and then add in the paratha. You can stretch it out more if you like. If you can't do that, it's not a problem. Then just however you want it, just place it onto the pan. Ensure that the paratha isn't folded on the edges, as you can see on one side and the other side. So Mom's just straightening it out so it keeps its nice shape. Now guys, it's just time to add on some, well, to rub on some butter. So rub some butter on, ensure all edges are covered with the butter. Okay guys, we just need to put in a few holes in there and then continue twisting it around the pan to ensure that it doesn't stick. We've also added in another tablespoon of butter to prevent the sticking on the pan. I just continue twisting that. Now my mom is going to switch over the paratha onto the other side. As you can see now, it's cooking nicely. It's cooking the way we expected it to, and it's gonna come out delicious. So now Mom's gonna be adding in 1 egg. So she's cracked on an egg. Now she's gonna add some salt, a pinch of salt, however much you guys prefer to put on, and then by using a hand, spread it evenly throughout the paratha. All you need to do now, guys, is just flip it around and keep it on one side for at least about 30 seconds or 15 seconds, and that's how we should turn out. That's your beastly patan paratha. Oh my lord, mashallah. Blessed to have a mother. Blessed to have a mother. All those who have mothers, cherish them. So there you have it, guys, a traditional Swati Paratha recipe made by my mom. A very easy, simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until we meet again, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.